Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this new video. In today's video, we will discuss about safe core values. What are the core values in a scaled agile framework? We will understand it through a simple acronym, which I am terming it as ABCD. So let us start. So what are the safe four core values? These are the safe four core values. We have alignment, built-in quality, program execution, and transparency. So let us understand each one of these values in detail. So when we say alignment, alignment in safe is pretty much important. When we see the safe configurations, be it like essential, solution, portfolio, or the full safe configuration, alignment from portfolio to program to the teams level, that's pretty much required. So if the teams are not aligned, then the purpose or the goal of the program or the portfolio, that will be hard to reach. So it's important for a particular program or a particular portfolio that the strategy and the vision that should be clear to everyone involved, everyone part of that particular program or the portfolio. So there should be a clarity in terms of aligning the teams. What is the common goal? What is the commitment from each of the team when we are talking about a simple program level implementation? So that alignment helps the teams in reaching the goal of the program easily. Second value is built-in quality. Deming has mentioned that quality cannot be inspected, it must be built in. So in the safe, when we talk about the quality, it's the holistic view that we are talking about. It's not just about the quality of the code that developers or the teams are implementing or writing. It's the quality which needs to be taken into consideration from the very start when we are starting any program or when we are starting about any value stream implementation at a portfolio level. So the important thing is like we need to consider how is our design quality, how is our code quality, how is the system which is getting developed, what is its quality, and what's the quality of the package which are getting released. So how is our release quality, the deployment which are happening, are there any improvements, what's the consideration or the checklist that we have maintained. So that quality is very much important. So that's what the safe second value recommends, like quality must be built in and from the very start itself, not from yeah, like at the latest stage we try to inspect the quality, like how it is being built. Third aspect is the program execution. So that's one of the core of the safe that if we think about a simple art in the safe, right, the whole purpose of the safe framework is to continuously deliver value to the customer. So our whole approach or any configuration that we are taking into consideration, be it like essential at a program level or a solution or a portfolio or a full safe configuration, important aspect is that teams should be able to continuously deliver value to the customer. So in order to do that, I think it's very important that program increment is successful. Everyone, all the teams which are part of that art, that are aligned, that are clear in terms of what they are trying to achieve in that particular program increment. So that continuous and sustained value delivery in an iterative fashion, that's one of the key. Uh, that's what SAFe recommends. The fourth aspect is transparency. So that simply means, an environment of trust, openness, collaboration. So all the teams which are part of the portfolio or the program, it is not like a single team environment slope, because we are thinking here, we are talking about, agile practices at a scale. So it's very important that, what is happening at a portfolio level, any changes in the strategy, in the vision, any goal, that is clearly communicated to the teams, and also how the teams are performing, that is made visible to everyone involved in the program or the portfolio. So there is no hidden facts. So in case if there are any problems or any issues getting reported, that are discussed well in the forum. So that transparency at every level, at a team level, within the teams, as well as within the programs, and with the portfolio, that are pretty much required, and it helps everyone to achieve the goal collectively. So now, I mean, we have understand, what are the safe core values. So if we try to remember those core values using a simple acronym, which I am terming as ABCD, so this is how we can define them. Like A stands for alignment, which we have already discussed. Being able to align all the people involved to a portfolio or a program vision and goal, and everyone has a clear understanding of what's the commitment is. B stand for built-in quality. That simply means, quality has been thought of from the start, and it's not like, we have given responsibility to inspect the quality. So that must be avoided, and we need to see the quality in a holistic fashion. C stand for completeness. That simply means, the value delivery, and the program increment that we talked in the earlier slide. So C stand for completeness. D is for directness. That means transparency. Transparency in the work that we are doing from top to bottom, from bottom to top. I mean, we are using some tools which makes our work visible, and more than just the tools, I mean, there is an environment of trust and openness where everyone, I mean, the team, they feel open, they feel are committed to disclosing the issues or the blockers. So that's pretty much required. So thanks everyone. Thank you for watching this brief video. I hope you liked it. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.